I am in downtown Sacramento for another Good Inc. membership meetup. This should be a good one. Here we go. It's membership meetup time. I am in downtown Sacramento, maybe more so Southside Park, but that kind of general area, downtown-ish area at the Bernice building, a really cool apartment building here in downtown. I'm excited to check out this building. We've actually been here before. We were here for the Good Inc. summer camp. Everyone had an absolute blast when we were here. There's some really cool spots. Their kind of common spaces are really nice, decorated really well. They have an amazing, it's technically like a speakeasy. It's kind of like a hidden room full of mirrors. It's like floor-to-ceiling mirrors. Really cool spots to shoot. So I know people are gonna have a blast here. It's a nice day. They do have a pool, so we might get out and get around the pool. Really cool outdoor area, outdoor fitness area as well. So a lot to shoot here. Really cool spot. Should be a good group. Should be a pretty good turnout. We got a couple models, our usual Good Inc. members as well. So should be a really good time. I'm just going to document kind of behind the scenes of this meetup and kind of give you guys a perspective of what a Good Inc. meetup is like from my perspective. And then hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, here we go. I think she's out there. The models. We have more models coming. So yeah. Be sure to tag Live the Bernice. Be sure to tag them in your photos and stuff. We have access obviously to this space here. We can go back in the lobby too. Yeah. If you like the lobby, there's some good stuff there. So yeah, and the pool area as well. If you want to swim, feel free. I brought extra bathing suits, so they're all mosquitoes though. But yeah, that's it, guys. Have fun. Wrapping up that meetup, that was a good one, man. Always good to get back out and get back to hosting events. We do this monthly with the Good Inc. team. Super fun, man. Big shout out to Lorenzo for helping us set up the event at that space. The Bernice is dope. If you're looking for somewhere to live, possibly in downtown Sac, that's a really cool spot. So many amazing, common shared spaces there. It's got it all. But yeah, man, lots of fun. Good turnout, good peeps, man. Always a good time with the Good Inc. squad. We will be doing more stuff this year. Looking to do some road trips, looking to do some more membership meetups, looking to do some landscape stuff as well. We've gotten really, really deep into the portrait photography world and we kind of lost our way, I feel like, with the landscape stuff. So I'm looking to do some more landscape meetups as well. But that'll do it for this video, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.